Hey guys, good morning. So we actually just got back from the doctor's. I was actually gonna vlog on the way to the doctor's and then I grabbed my camera and realized that I forgot the memory card. So pregnancy brain, fun stuff. But we met with the midwife and I supposedly am like a -2 for the station of the baby, which I don't really know what that means. Comment down below if you know, guys know what that means. And then also I am 2.5 centimeters dilated, so I really haven't progressed a whole lot, and they didn't tell me my effacement at all, but I will keep you guys updated. We go back in next Monday to kind of see where I'm at, and we're just gonna be walking a ton. But today we're basically prepping for baby girl's arrival. We cannot wait to see Riley, and we're gonna kind of show you guys a little bit of the nursery, and we still have a lot of prepping to do in the nursery, so that's our plan today. But also, as you guys can tell, this is gonna be more like a vlog style, which I think is a little bit more personal and a little bit more fun. Also, a part of this vlog is going to be sponsored by Home Chef, so thank you to Home Chef for partnering with us in this vlog. You guys, I'm gonna talk about it more. We're gonna be making a dinner, and I can't wait to talk all about it and share it with you guys. I am so excited. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and head upstairs and start working on the nursery. So real quick before I put the food away, I kind of want to show you guys like how it comes packaged. It comes packaged with tons of ice packs, so that way everything is nice and fresh and it comes right to your door. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and store all this stuff in our fridge right now, and then we will cook it later tonight. All right, so we are working in the nursery. Look at all the stuff. There's Joel. Fun stuff. So we're making the hatch. We're doing a little earthquake kit, so that way it can't fall over. Right, Ollie? Because it won't be safe. You shouldn't be in here. It's not safe. But look at how pretty it's turning out to be right now. I'm so excited. I can't wait to do a tour for you guys. The tour is going to be like more going through the drawers and everything and showing you the organizations that I did. But right now we're just gonna keep doing that. I'm actually going to, this is like the new nightstand that we got because the other one was damaged right here. And then we got the new crib front, which it was damaged down there. So luckily we got all those done. But now I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together.
That's me. With no courage in my heart, it was failing from the start, don't you see? I felt the weight of all my plans pressing down without the space to breathe. I'm a sucker for your eyes. I was hooked when you looked over at me. I'll give you a lie low for your stormy seas, and I'll give you the time when I've got none. I'll give you the air when I've got none to breathe. And you right from the start, I'm giving you my heart.
Hey guys, so we finally finished with the room. I just have to have Joel move the bassinet back over here by the window before, because we're not going to move it to our bedroom until she comes, because that way it's not like our bedroom is like crammed right now. Ooh, I feel like I have like really rosy cheeks, but yes, it looks so good. I'm gonna do a nursery tour, so I'm actually gonna go like more into the drawers of like the organizing and everything that I have going on, what's going on in the closet and stuff. But it looks so good and it all came together. I'm so happy that it's all done. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go ahead and head downstairs and we're gonna start cooking dinner. I'm starving. It's like 5 o'clock. I think the dogs are hungry too. I also have a horrible headache, so I think I'm gonna go take some Tylenol. But let's just go ahead and go downstairs and get some food in this belly, because that's probably where my headache is coming from. All right, so we are finally getting ready to start cooking. So this part of the vlog is sponsored by Home Chef. So thank you so much to Home Chef for partnering with me. You guys, it's really awesome and I'm really excited. I've never done anything like this before. And it's perfect for like kind of prepping for the baby, and also perfect for after she comes. We definitely want to continue doing it because it's, again, perfect for after she comes, because as you guys know, when you have a newborn, you are just exhausted and tired, and this is awesome because all the meals come delivered right to your door and you just order it online, and it's all fresh ingredients and it's the exact ingredients that you need, so it limits waste. And then also online, if you go to homechef.com, they have 18 weekly menu options on there that you can choose from. And also they don't just have dinner recipes, they also have lunch add-ons that are only $7.99. So we actually included one of the lunch add-ons, which I think we're gonna eat tomorrow because I'm like craving a salad. Are you craving a salad?
I am.
I'm craving a salad. But their lunches are like super quick. They're like 5-minute lunches, and then also they have smoothies, again, for only $7.99. And then for the dinner options, they are $9.95. They have vegetarian options also if you're a vegetarian, so that way it's kind of meets to anyone's needs. And then also the meals are really quick and easy to make. The one that we're gonna make today is only gonna take us about 30 minutes, which is awesome. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like the little book that they give us right here. Look at this. So you can put all your ingredients inside, like all your recipes inside this book, and you can keep it, and you can even like go and make it yourself like later on, which I think is also really awesome. So you have like your own little recipe book. But the one that we're gonna make tonight is this one right here. This is the steak strip empanada rice bowl with chimichurri. Ooh, I'm excited. And they're also very calorie conscious too. And the serving size is 2, or you can double it if you have a bigger family, or if you have family that are in town. And also it's really awesome, like let's say you're going on vacation. You can also pause it or skip it for a week if you're leaving and you're not here to pick up your meal. But yeah, it tells you everything. It tells you the prep and the cook time, which is 25 to 35 minutes. You want to cook it within 6 days of receiving it. The difficulty level is easy on the one that we're doing, and the spice level is mild, which is good because being pregnant, you can't handle spicy stuff. If you guys want to save $30 off your first order, you can use my code MADISONMILLER. I will have the link down below, so you guys can definitely check it out. I definitely recommend it. This is what they come in. They come in pre-packaged like this in a baggie. So you just open it up and you have all the ingredients already pre-done, which is great because there's so many things, like half the time that I want to cook something and I realize I don't have it and I have to send Joel to the store. We are going to cook this rice bowl, which I am super excited to eat right now. I'm starving.
It's another perfect day. The sun has chased the rain away. Oh, it's another perfect day. It's another perfect day. The sun is out, hip, hip, hooray. It's another perfect day. Winter slips into the distance. Spring arrives with no resistance. Come on down, it's a perfect day. Balmy days anticipating, summer nights that lay in waiting. Come on down, it's a perfect day. Oh, it's another perfect day. The sun has chased the rain away. Oh, it's another perfect day. It's another perfect day. The sun is out, hip, hip, hooray. It's another perfect day. Overhead clouds drift and scatter. Close your eyes, 'cause nothing matters. Come on down, it's a perfect day. Butterflies and garden parties, friends arrive, so let's get started. Come on down, it's a perfect day. Oh, it's another perfect day. The sun has chased the rain away.
we just finished making dinner. This is what the final piece looks like right here. Joel actually put mine together and it looks so fancy. So we're gonna do a little taste test. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of the empanada. There we go. It's good.
Yummy.
It's really yummy. And get Joel.
Mmm.
You like it?
Good.
Yeah, it's
Yep.
good. And it's also, it doesn't feel,
Quick to make.
it was really quick to make, and also it doesn't feel like it's gonna be a heavy dish either, so it's gonna be really nice and light. But thank you so much to Home Chef for sponsoring this portion, you guys. Also make sure to check out the link down below and use my coupon code MADISONMILLER to save $30 off your first order. But we're gonna go ahead and continue eating dinner real quick, and then I will check back in with you guys later. Hey guys, so it is the next day now, but we wanted to show you that we are, oh my gosh, we're putting in the baby car seat in the car. We're gonna set it all up. Joel was watching videos all about it last night of how to set it up and then how to properly place the baby in there, right?
Yeah, now I gotta figure out how to get the damn car seat.
No, it's in the back. It's right here. So you do that little latch and it pops right off. Yep.
There you go.
There you go.
So we'll come back for that part.
Yeah.
There's
What,
some-
baby? He's all like, what is going on?
What's going on?
Come on, let's go into the garage. Into the garage. Okay.
This is a pad
Yeah, that goes underneath it to protect the car seat.
to protect the car from the car seat.
Yeah, you got that. Hi, little Ollie man. Okay, so we have Elsa's car seat right here.
So this is cool because this car has a little thing that you pop off,
Yeah.
like so. It has the two clips.
They now are making it mandatory in new cars. Yes, protect my seats. Sides
First, I
in.
gotta check. Make sure it's level, which it is. Okay. So then
And where does it buckle?
to the sides right here. Right there.
Oh. I was like,
Let's see. That one
oh, whoa.
on this side. Oops.
Oh my God, that's so easy.
When you push it down till that is green, which it's green.
So it's nice and secure.
Not yet, because you're not supposed to be able to do that, so a little more. So now, just for giggles, I should probably go get the
Go, and let's see how it goes in. Alrighty. Hey, Ollie man. I know, you don't know what's going on. You're just like, what is this? Is this for me? Oh, perfect. That is so easy. Oh my gosh.
What?
Can you believe it that we're gonna have a baby in there soon?
So I guess it goes backwards down the road. Wouldn't that
Yeah.
be car sick?
No, you have to do reverse fear. They're gonna be reversed. They're gonna be rear facing for a long time.
Yep. So now what, you have a mirror that goes here?
No, the mirror goes right there. So that way you can see her in the mirror. That's the car seat. We got the Up-A-Baby one that goes perfectly with the Vista or the Cruise. We have the Vista car seat. I have this little guy right here like, can I come with you? Hey baby, we're not going anywhere, so don't worry. So, we're not going anywhere. We're just putting in the car seat. Don't worry. I know, look how puffy my feet are. I'm so swollen. We're not going anywhere, okay? He's like, Mommy, put me in the car now. Ollie, don't worry, okay? We're not going anywhere. It's a big mirror.
Now the question is, go sit in your driver's seat.
And see if you can see her. I'm gonna go to the driver's seat and see if I can see her. How the heck am I supposed to see her? I can't see her. It needs to be like angled down. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, so now, I don't know if you guys probably can't see, but now I could see her when she's in there. Is it just kind of leaning then?
Yeah, I don't know if I like that too much.
Really?
Yeah, it'll work.
We'll just try it for right now and see. He had to come in here because he thought we were leaving. We're not leaving, so don't worry. At least it's all set up. It's all set up, little man. Oh, he just burped. We all set up? Are you hot? Oh, look at that yawn. Look at that yawn. All right, we got the car seat set up. That is a check. And now to go back inside where there's air conditioning. All right, so that's the end of the vlog, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and also kind of following us along, prepping for baby Riley to come in. We are anxiously awaiting her arrival, and we're super excited. I'm also doing like a ton of pregnancy updates over on my vlog channel, so definitely check us out over there. Again, a huge thank you to Home Chef for sponsoring a portion of this video. Honestly, you guys, the meals are amazing, and make sure to use the code MADISONMILLER. I have everything linked down below. We are definitely going to be continuing it. Joel really likes it because he really loves at-home meals, and honestly, it's been really difficult lately because I've been working so much and I've been so tired, and this just makes it a lot easier, and even easy for him to be able to do himself. So we're definitely going to continue it, and I definitely recommend it. The food was so good. Like that rice and banana thing, oh, so bomb. Highly recommend it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it and you are excited for Riley to get here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.